In this guide, you'll learn how to use a very efficient tool for project monitoring, a column called Days Left. This tool helps you see whether your project is on track and gives you the best possible prediction of when the project will finish. Let's display the column. I go to the Display Column chooser and select Days Left. Now you can see it here in the Gantt chart. The Days Left column tells us how many days remain until a task is completed. I've set up a small project with 5 tasks to show you how it works. Task A is completed. Task B is in progress, and the others are not started yet. For completed tasks, Days Left is always 0, and it can't be changed. It is also 0 for tasks that are in progress but already late. Let's look at Task B. According to the plan, it should have been completed on the 9th of September, but today is already later than that. So the question is, how many days are actually left? If I say there are 2 days left, I enter 2 and press enter. Now the planned end date shifts to 2 workdays after today. And since this task has dependent tasks, they also move automatically. If I instead say only 1 day left, the task and its dependents adjust accordingly. And if I enter 0, the task is marked as completed, and all dependent tasks are pulled back to align with it. This is extremely useful when you have long chains of dependent tasks. Imagine 100 tasks linked together. Updating just one value keeps the whole chain in sync, saving you a lot of time and effort. Now, what about tasks that are not started yet? For them, Days Left initially equals the task's planned duration. But you can adjust it directly in the Days Left column. For example, if Task B was late, I might shorten this Task C to 2 days to keep the project on track. The start date stays the same, but the duration is shortened. Or, if something happens, for example, a team member gets sick, or some equipment or material is missing, I can extend it to 5 days. The start date still stays the same, but the task now takes longer, and this change affects the tasks that follow. In this way, you can update Days Left for any task, and the project's schedule will adjust automatically to reflect real circumstances. The benefit of using Days Left is clear. It gives you a simple, practical way to keep your project plan aligned with reality. You always know how much time is left, delays and progress are reflected immediately, and your project forecast stays accurate. And because you understand the relations between tasks, you can quickly adjust the time plan and take measures to avoid future delays. And that's how you use the Days Left column in Starbrix.